Hello everyone. Today you are going to learn how to use your Atome card in a physical store. First, make sure your Atome card is active. If you have a physical card, open your Atome mobile app. In the app, find the section that allows you to activate your physical card. Enter the last 4 digits of your card when asked. You will then be asked to set a 4-digit PIN. Once this is done, your Atome card is ready to be used anywhere MasterCard is accepted. Next, let us go through how to pay in a store. When you arrive at the checkout counter, let the cashier know you are paying by card. If the payment terminal supports contactless payments, you can simply tap your Atome card on the machine. If the terminal does not support contactless payments, insert your card into the card reader instead. Leave the card in the machine until the payment is completed. Some terminals may ask you to select an account type. When this happens, choose Savings. After that, the terminal will ask you to enter your 4-digit PIN. Carefully type in the PIN you created earlier in the Atome app. Once the PIN is accepted, the payment will be processed. Wait a few seconds while the machine confirms the transaction. Thanks for watching.